Hey everyone, my name is Zach, and I am presenting for Emmeline, Ashley, and Kim. This is our presentation of St. Michael's Cathedral at Hildesheim. St. Michael's is a basilica-style church made in a mix of Romanesque and Etonian or Holy Roman Empire styles. It was initially built between 1010 and 1022, commissioned by Bishop Bernward of Hildesheim. It is one of the rare major constructions in Europe which conveys a unified impression of artistry without having undergone any critical transformations in its basic structure. All the elements necessary to express the outstanding universal value are found here. All the features and structures convey its significance as an exceptional example of art and architecture of the Holy Roman Empire. Its layout is typical of a basilica church. It's a symmetrical building with two central towers, four rounded towers, east and west choirs. It has mirrored apses, which are semicircular domed parts of the building that held dioceses and Christian shrines. This style was a staple of Etonian architecture. The church is 245 feet long by 75 feet wide. The nave, or the central chamber of St. Michael's, has alternating Roman-style columns and Etonian pillars flanking the pews. In the nave, you will find the Bernward column. It is a Roman-style column made of solid bronze. It's 3.9 meters tall, and along the edge you will find reliefs which show the life and trials of Jesus, and its architecture is a nod towards the Roman-style columns and the Catholic Church. The roof of the nave is covered in an Antonian-style stucco painting showing the family tree of King David of Bethlehem. That picture is known as the Roots of Jessie. It is a painted oak ceiling created in 1230, and it depicts the genealogical tree of Jesse. The Roots of Jessie was painted on lime casein tempera from bottom to top. The central panels depict the main story, and the border panels is populated with 42 medallions of the ancestors of Christ. It consists of about 1,300 painted oak boards, and it's roughly 9 by 28 meters. This painted ceiling is the only flat church ceiling in Germany and is extremely well detailed. The bronze doors of Bernward is the entrance of the church. It is covered in Roman-style reliefs. Each panel has a narrative of a biblical scene, and each side symmetrically designed to connect the meaning of stories of the Testaments through the images. Bronze doors consist of 16 panels. The panels on the left depict scenes from the Old Testament, while the panels on the right depict scenes of the New Testament. It's inspired by the monumental wooden doors on Santa Sabina and the Trajan Column in Rome. They're 15-foot tall doors, and they're believed to have been casted using the lost wax method. In 1010, Bishop Bernward first started building this ancient Benedictine monastery. It wasn't completed until 1031, and it was reconsecrated by his successor, Bishop Godhard. The church has been through two reconstructions, first in 1186 after a fire, and then for a while between 1950 to 1957 after World War II's air raid campaign damaged much of Germany in 1945. In 1192, after Bishop Bernward was declared a saint, the church went through a reconstruction and Bernward was buried in a crypt in the church. In 1542, St. Michael's became a Lutheran church, but the Benedictine monastery in here still operated until it was secularized in 1803. In 1985, St. Michael's became a UNESCO World Cultural Heritage Site. Thank you very much for listening, and have a good one.